Hi, this is me catching up. You're welcome. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, you can click the like and subscribe button. Going forward, I'll be posting more of AI content and I'll be showing you how to use the tool ChatGTP or any other AI tool. And I'll be focusing more on the non-technical part, then I'll switch to technical part. In the non-technical aspect, I'll be showing you some tips, like a technical tips that you can add to your prompt to give you an effective output. And it's kind of like a technical sheet, but yeah, you can also use it in your prompt. And going forward, we'll be building a lot of tools using the coding AI tool to do that. So in the next video, I'll be showing you tips. Make sure you stay tuned. And if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.